Welcome to Scheduley, your time management app. In this video, we'll explore how to make appointments with your contacts. On the homepage, start by selecting the date and time for your appointment. Scroll down and click on Contacts, then choose the person you want to book the appointment with. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Now, enter the subject and description of the appointment. The start time will be set automatically, so you only need to select the end time. If you'd like to receive a reminder before the appointment, turn on the reminder option. Next, click on Add Address and select whether the location is a home, apartment, or office. Fill in the form to complete your address details. Then click the Next button to proceed. After that, tap on Add Location, where you can either set your current location or search by keyword to find it. Finally, click on Submit, and your appointment will be booked successfully. That's it for today's Scheduley walkthrough, your time management app. Now you know how to make appointments with your contacts easily. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.